Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have such an amazing news for you guys, and that is you can get more than 18,000 3D assets and textures completely for free, but you only have so little amount of time to do that, which is before the end of 31st of December. Of course, I'm talking about Quixel megascans. If you live under a rock and you don't know about them, well, they create really high quality 3D models and textures using the process photo scanning, which takes a lot of time and a ton of work. And they scan all kinds of objects and surfaces across the whole world. Quixel megascans remained free for Unreal Engine users since Epic Games bought them about 4 years ago, but they were still paid for anyone using any other program than Unreal Engine. Now that Epic Games is merging all the different platforms like Quixel megascans, Sketchfab, ArtStations and Unreal Engine Marketplace into one single marketplace where you can sell and buy 3D models called Fab, they announced that megascans will become paid even for Unreal Engine users. But until the start of 2025, anyone can get their holds on the Quixel megascans completely for free regardless of what software they use. But why is it becoming paid? I think the reason that Unreal Sensei talks about in his video makes sense, which is why would someone buy 3D models from a creator when they can get this type of high quality assets for free from the same marketplace? So the process of getting all the assets is pretty easy and straightforward, but before I show you that, I quickly want to mention that I'm also selling on Fab. I mean, I'm not the one being sold, but I'm selling products on Fab. Currently, I only have one 3D model, which is the Lamborghini model that I modeled 3 years ago, but I'm gonna upload more assets soon. Until the end of this year, all creators will receive 100% of the revenue from sales. After that, it'll be around 88%, so it would mean the world to me if you decide to buy my model from Fab before this year ends. To claim all of the megascans assets, just go to fab.com and sign up with a free Epic Games account if you don't have already. Then there will be a header on the home page that says get all megascans for free. Click on it, which will take you to this page. Just click on the button that says claim megascans for free and all of the megascan assets will be added to your account. After it's successfully done, if you click on an asset, it will say that you own this item. You do not need to download and store all of the assets, just claim them and they'll be yours forever to keep. A lot of people were getting angry on how bad the Fab experience is, so they recently announced that you can also claim all of the assets from the old Megascans website as well as the Bridge app and have access to them until they launch a software for Fab. To do this, just open up the Bridge app and there will be a header that says to claim all of the assets. Unfortunately, that header was not coming from me, so instead you can just go to the website quixel.com/megascans, log in with your account and claim all of the assets with a single click. Just give it a moment to process, refresh the page and you'll see all of the assets added to your purchased section on the Quixel megascans website and on the Bridge app as well. So that is it for this video guys. Please check out my account on Fab, and if you decide to purchase my model, I highly appreciate that. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. If you know someone that would benefit from this, please share them this video and hit the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. I'll be back.